Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find your phone number in your Google account. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let us follow you to get down to our topic. So, in order to find your phone number in your Gmail account, you're going to have to, of course, go to Gmail itself. Once there, in the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Then manage your Google account. After that, go to Personal Information. And here you need to scroll a little bit into the Contact Information section. You'll see your phone number. If you go to it, you'll see that you can edit it if, say, you've changed your phone number, which is linked to this Google account. You can also delete it. But before you do that, you'll need to enter your Gmail account password. This is the simple way, friends, you can easily find your phone number in your Gmail account. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and put your likes. See you soon.